Dada? Is that Dada? Where is he talking from? The phone.
Where's Fisher?
He's watching Clifford.
Where's the big boy?
He's watching Clifford. Don't eat the phone, Aaron.
What?
Aaron wants to eat the phone.
Where's Fisherman?
He's watching a movie.
Let me talk to you.
Okay, but he's the one who hung up on you when you called last time.
Hey. What are you doing?
That's Aaron's
What
stuff.
is that?
Aaron.
Hey. Hello?
Say Dada.
Can you get mute or something?
Say Dada. Stop eating the phone. Say Dada.
Hey, can't hear you.
Hold on. Can you hear me now? Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Oh yeah, he did hit mute. Fisher.